So hello everyone and welcome. Did you know that it is possible and it is very easy to change the background or to change the background of a photo or a video? And therefore, in our today's tutorial, we shall be looking at how we can change the background of a video or a photo from one background to another. So let's head over to Capcut. Open Capcut. So the first thing that we start with is that start by dragging and dropping the video that you want to change its background. So that is what we have. And if we play this video, you can see that the person is speaking and we have the background behind her. So what we should do is we are now required to move from here where you can see basic, go to cutout, then apply auto cutout. And once the auto cutout is done, you can see that we have now the person and the background has been removed. So we want to replace this background with another different background. So drop the video that is containing the background that you want to place. So that is what we have. And if you play this video, you can see that the background is the only one that is being seen, but the person is not being seen. So since we want the person to be seen, so we now change the position of this one that is from below to the top there. That is what we have. Then you can see the person is appearing. Then at one point, the video or the person is going to continue talking, but we don't have the background. So how we position them at the same point is that we can come and push this one back once, so that both of them can end at the same time. So that is what we should do. So the first thing, drop the video containing the background that you want to remove the background, then also drop the other video. So then if you want to reposition this person, come and press the video that is containing the person. Then you can see where we have the edges, place them in once and position the person where you want them to appear, maybe at the corner there, around the corner there. And if we now play our video, you can see where they are. If you also want to change their position to this other position, this is what you do. Again, take it to that position, then play it. So that is how we change the background of our video or a photo. Then that is it.